Good morning. Today we're going to do an abyssal run. Going to do a calm gamma. That should be an easy one. Penalty to the explosive resist, but a bonus to the shield. Here's our fit. For a Gila, I like the mix of drones and missiles. 3 large shields and multi-spectrum should take care of everything. Some damage. A afterburner. Tractor beam in case you don't want to use the MTU, but the mobile tractor is a good thing. Now you want to do this in a safe place where people will not be attacking you at the end of this. We've got a 20-minute time limit. So we'll undock. We'll go out into space somewhere far away from other structures. Now the basic rule in these, you have 20 minutes to complete 3 pockets. You're going to have random effects in there. Going to have random sleepers, drifters, drones, weird compositions. And there's a lot to learn in each one. So make sure you have that cheat sheet available. We're going to prioritize things like starving or anchoring or entangling. We're in a pretty easy one right now. Okay. Middle of nowhere in a high-sec system where no one can gank us. Gamma. Use the filament. 20-minute warning. Alright, activate. Now that's ready. Here's our ship. That'll hit 80%. Let's see where this, how much of a penalty to the explosive we get here. Down to 40. Alright, so turn the hardener on. Okay. Drone battleship. First thing you want to do is rush toward the gate. Nice thing about the Gila, you've got all the different flavors of drones. Nope, not that guy. Alright, over here is a tower that is going to shoot drones that come too close to it. Where's that tower? Over there is this tower helps people track. Okay, these are the loot caches. Can I reach that? Yes. Send some missiles to shoot that one. Send a missile to shoot this one. And send a missile to shoot that one. Why not? Alright, here we are at the gate. Drop the MTU. Okay, we cannot salvage these, or at least you don't get anything for salvaging them, they just vanish. So let the MTU take care of things and help finish off the drone. And the Gila's got such a good tank here that he's not having any problems. Okay, this gate is unlocked. We have 20 minutes to do everything. We've only used 2.5 minutes. So we have time for this tractor beam to zoom in some extra loot. The good stuff is in the first one. Here are some upgraded filaments. These are the cell to station cache items. That one's empty. And never mind. Alright, well, we'll get some more in the next one. Because I dropped it here and I'm ready to go, I'm already sitting at the exit. Let's go. You have time to finish that time. Okay. So, Damavix. Alright, rush towards the thing. There is the cloud here. Being in this cloud does more stuff to you. Alright, we don't have any towers. You see all these little drones. If I had a deviant tower to shoot drones, I would have it. I'd just fly close to that and the tower would shoot all these guys. I'm just hitting the mothership. Shoot that one time. Alright, those other drones should turn dead. Bother with those, they're pretty far out. Just hit this one and drive by. All the same. Head for the exit and we'll clean up at there. So I've got 2 bonuses. 3 shields, a spectral, and power relay. A Weber helps if there's something tiny on top of you that's webbing you and you need your medium drones to hit it. Okay, tracking pylon, I don't care. Approach the conduit. That is a battleship, pre-damaged. Let's send the drones out for him. One volley missile should take out that, yes. Where's it over there? Okay. Could go a little out of my way and hit that one, so let's do it. That one also. Drones are my primary damage here. The missiles are really just to help them out against, say, this battleship, and to snag those distant things I don't want to go shoot at close range. So this fight is taking place right back here. Almost on the date. Stop, ship, drop them, MTU. Conveniently called MTU. This is the good loot right here. Give me a mutaplasma. Meh. Not so much. That's alright. Usually get one about 1 in 3. Now we've got 12 more minutes, so we can wait for this to tractor in all the other guys. Now the environments, you can see there's a blue cloud of something over here. If we fly into that, we probably get some more like signature radiance penalty. This origin conduit that takes you back to your origin, that's how you know it's the final exit gate. Got some really good scenery in here, alien scenery, but if I were to fly out toward that 64k away, basically once you hit 75 from the center of this thing, your screen turns red. You start taking like smart bomb damage every 3 or 4 seconds, so you gotta turn around and get back in. There's a tracking pylon, that's nothing. You can waste as much time, odds are we're not going to get good loot from these outer cans. They're just extra fluff, and it is completely up to you. Most people just sprint and get the can that's closest to here. It has the greatest chance of having mutaplasmid, which gives random rolls to modify your gear. Like here, took large shield extender 2s, rolled them, and I got better numbers on it than a Caldari Navy. Caldari Navy 2750 hit points. I got 28 off of a large shield extender 2. Got some penalty here on the radius and penalty on the fitting, but I can fit that extra metal, so I don't care. And I'll say that's enough loot. Don't need to wait for the other one. Scoop it. And you'll see when we get out of here, if you're in a nullsec system, somebody can scan you down and somebody might be waiting. So you want to make sure you're healed up and PvP ready as much as you can be when exiting out of here. We know that we're going into high sec. It won't be a problem. Into space, you can't tether, and right here is the trace that you leave behind. People can scan down while you're in there. And that is a calm gamma filament. We make minus U. 6 million. It's alright. And plenty more filaments and escalation filaments. Thank you.